Hey kids, it's me, Tony, and here it is late at night, and I have my BoxyCharm Premium, which, if you don't know, is sort of a step up from the regular BoxyCharm. It comes every month, but it has more stuff in it. It's I want to say $35 a month. And I'm not sure, I keep saying I'm going to end it because they have me confused. The box I get is the H box, and I think they have me confused with a young, beautiful woman of color when I am a old, pasty looking person with wrinkles, because I keep getting beautiful colors that I can't use. So I pass them on to my friends, but anyway. So this is what month are we? April. And I got it late. Usually I get this pretty early in the month. So I guess they're maybe having some issues because of the you-know-what condition of the world these days. So anyway, let's open this up and see what I got. And yes, my nails still look awful. Oops. Because nobody can go get their nails done. Alright, here we go. Premium. I did have that right. Premium box. Whoops. I'm doing this one-handed, so it will not be smooth sailing. And I have two things. Okay, first of all, I think. So, it's the BoxyCharm. And I guess it's giving you all the information before. On the back is misguided, cute clothes seek wearers. I have no idea what that is. And then here's something else for a makeup eraser. Let's get and see what we got. Alright, so now I heard there was like a weird brush or something in this box. I'm going to do this. It's just going to get in the way. Oh, it's the first thing. Okay. So we have cover, special effects, water cloud, primer. Okay, well I'm cool with primers because I usually don't wear foundation. So I like a good primer. So this is, I don't know if it's tinted blue light defense. I didn't know your skin needed blue light defense. But let's see, a weightless cooling mousse, and I don't think it has. Hold on, let me open it and we'll see if there's a color to it. Okay, so no color. And so that's it on. It doesn't really show much, so that's fine. And according to BoxyCharm, the value is $38. Okay. Supposed to help with urban pollutants. Who knew? Then I have something I have never heard of. Tell me if you have. Levito. That sounds kind of funny. Inspired by nature. Grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado age away replenishing cream. And then this looks like it's in, I don't know, is that Thai? No. Is that, almost looks Hebrew. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's for mature skin. Well, good. At least they got me for an old lady. It has none of these things, but it has yes of all these things. And the little BoxyCharm thing says, where is it? Made with innovative organic plant materials. Good. Nourishes mature skin. And look at that. $69. Jeez. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I'll turn into a young, beautiful woman of color with this. I don't know. Could happen. Okay. Let me open it and we'll check it out. It comes out as a cream like that. And you know what? I'm going to tell you this. I'm sure it's legit, but it smells like old-fashioned cold cream. It has that same smell. You have to be of a certain age to understand what I'm saying, but that's what it smells like. Let me rub it in and see. It's not greasy at all, and it absorbs really quickly, but it kind of smells like cold cream. Or maybe something you would get at Lush. It just has those types of smells. I can't explain it. Anyway. Very expensive little tube. We'll see how it works. Okay, then next is shiny. Okay, I can't get this to focus, but it's the Wander Mile High Club. Okay. Let me see what it says because I can't read it because it's too small. Okay. Mile High Volume and Length Mascara. Oh, good. I need mascara. $26. 30 and fanned out effect. Let's see. It's an interesting piece. It's in a tube. I wouldn't have thought that was mascara. But let's check it out. So there is the brush. I'll tell you what, I do like a smaller brush. I hate those mascara wands or it's huge piece. I'm always afraid I'm going to poke my eye out. So I think this will work pretty darn well. Okay. And I think, you know, it opens, it comes out just like a regular mascara. So it's not messy or anything. Okay, the next one is a Juice Beauty Liquid Lip Rouge and liquid, I think it's a liquid lipstick is what it is. Phyto Pigments. Let's see what type of color. What does it say? We'll have to open it. I think I can do this one with one hand without putting this down. Oh, Redemption. This is, what's the color? Hold on. I can't read it because it's so teeny tiny. But it's a pretty pink. Let's try it on. Can I open it with one hand? Of course not. So there's the color. That's pretty. A little doe foot. And the key is to open the liquid lipstick before you try on all the creams because your hands won't be too slick to open the lipstick. So I'm happy. That's a color I probably can wear. So that's great. Yay. And let's see. $24. I don't usually spend that much on lipstick, but I'll take it. Alright, here is the... I always have to have a Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag color palette, which makes me think this is going to be bright colors. And let's find out. Yes. Feel the fantasy come alive in the fierce and fabulous, 14 pan palette. Playful, that means it's a bunch of colors I will probably never use. $45. Let's find out. And I have to admit, that's a pretty palette. And in the light, it kind of does this holographic thing. Anyway, when you open it up, it's actually a very nice palette. So there's a mirror. It says be a queen. Here are the colors. Some of these are a little dark. The top row, I would use, well, aside from the yellow, or that campy color, I wouldn't use it. The bottom ones, maybe that gold one, a little dark, but it does come with a two-sided brush, which I appreciate, and it's very, substantial feeling. This is it's for a guy, because it's heavy. But the colors look really pretty. Let me swatch a couple for you real quick. Okay, so I swatched, just so you'll know, the Beat, the Campy, the Legendary, and which other one did I do? Oh, this one, the Fishy. So, there you go. So see, even that blue one I might try. And the yellow one is not as, screaming yellow, zonker yellow. So that might work. Anyway, they're not super saturated, but it's almost better in this case because they are such strong colors. I might use it more than I think. Anyway, I like it. I like a pretty cover. Now, then the last thing, let's see what this is. Oh. Brushes. They're not a BoxyCharm without brushes in it. Okay. So very kind of modern acrylic. It's like a blush brush. Here's like a, I guess maybe, I don't know. I don't know what half these brushes are. When I was a kid, I used one brush. This looks like maybe for just all over. And it's from Opulent Beauty. And according to the card, let's see where it is. Okay. Full size, ultra soft, cruelty free, crystal clear brush collection. Let's see if it tells you what these are. Okay. Effortlessly apply your favorite skincare foundation, complexion products, highlighters, and powders. So $40. So those are nice. So if I look at this, and on the bottom of the card is get up to 5 beauty and lifestyle products for only, this is their every 3 months. This is their Boxy Luxe, which I'm not interested in. And then, they do pop-ups every so often, and then you can get things for really good prices. And if you subscribe to the box, you get bonuses sometimes. So last time I had a $50 credit. So the last time they had one of these pop-ups, I got $50 of stuff for free. So it works out great. I will leave a link below if you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm. start checking it out. And I don't believe you have to be a member for the pop-up, but I'm not for sure. You'd have to check the website. Anyway, if I add all this up, kids, it is, let's see, at 45, that's 83, 83 and 69 is 152, 192, oh, I can't think, 216, so 232, that's a very expensive box. So, and really, for the most part, I have this very expensive, oh no, this is the primer. I love primers, so I'll use this. A lipstick I can actually use. I'm so excited. The brushes, I have so many brushes. I don't know. I may just hold on to these for some special occasion. And then we have this mascara, which I'm excited. I need mascara. And what was my other? Oh yes, this very expensive, oh the product right, this very expensive replenishing cream. So maybe the next time you'll see me, I'll look 20. Don't hold your breath. Oh, and the palette. How could you forget the palette? Let me open it. Oh, this is a really strong palette. Can I just tell you? It really has one of the best magnet closures. So, I think I'll use some of these colors. Not all of them, but more than I suspected I would. And I appreciate the fact that there is a brush. So, I feel better about BoxyCharm this month. And hope you enjoyed that. It's I hate when I have to do things one-handed because I'm not very good at it. Anyway, if you're new to my channel or you're one of my new subscribers, thank you, welcome. I do try to do things like this every once in a while. As I've said it before, I post what I want when I want because, life's kind of complicated. It's even more complicated now. So if you like this and you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Would be wonderful to my channel, and hit the little notification bell so the wonderful folks at YouTube will let you know when I do post. And of course, they would like me to tell you to like my video and to leave a comment and to do a virtual hug. No, they didn't tell you that, but that's what we're doing these days, isn't it? And I hope everybody is staying safe and staying in their houses and wearing a mask if you have been told to do so, and we're social distancing, etc. and so on, until all this silliness goes away. So have a great evening, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.